Question 64. What is required in the fifth commandment? Answer. The fifth commandment requireth the preserving the honour and performing the duties belonging to everyone in their several places and relations as superiors, inferiors, or equals. The Bible verses referenced for this answer are Romans chapter 13, verses 1 and 7. Verse 1. Let every soul be subject unto the higher powers, for there is no power but of God. The powers that be are ordained of God. Verse 7. Render therefore to all their dues, tribute to whom tribute is due, custom to whom custom, fear to whom fear, honour to whom honour. Ephesians chapter 5, verses 21 to 22 and verse 24. Verses 21 to 22. Submitting yourselves one to another in the fear of God. Wives, submit yourselves unto your own husbands, as unto the Lord. Verse 24. Therefore, as the church is subject unto Christ, so let the wives be to their own husbands in everything. Ephesians chapter 6, verses 1, 4 to 5, and 9. Verse 1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Verses 4 to 5. And ye fathers, provoke not your children to wrath, but bring them up in the nurture and admonition of the Lord. Servants, be obedient to them that are your masters, according to the flesh, with fear and trembling, in singleness of your heart, as unto Christ. Verse 9. And ye masters, do the same things unto them, forbearing threatening, knowing that your master also is in heaven, neither is there respect of persons with him. 1 Peter chapter 2, verse 17. Honour all men, love the brotherhood, fear God, honour the king.